Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the country setting on AliExpress app. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, go to your account. Here you can see the account icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In this account page, here you can see the flag icon at the top. It represents your country flag. So you can change the country by tapping on it. Right now, Spain is selected as my country, so I can change it. I need to first tap on the name of the country right now. And now it will prompt you to the list of countries. So you can select your preferred countries from here. For now, I'll select Canada. And there you go. The language is already changed to English. And if I go to my accounts, here you can see the flag is also changed to Canada. You can see that my country is now changed to Canada. So that's it. That's how you can change your country in AliExpress app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.